what's up? So today I'm going to be doing this fun Christmas holiday glam look. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. So like in every tutorial, I'm going to start off with putting tape on my eyes. Then for my brows, I've been really loving them lately. They grew out a little more since the last time I filmed. So I really just like them like this, not length, this like thickness. I just think, I don't know. I don't like them super thin, but sometimes I will. But I like them this thick. Like a little thicker would be a bit much for me and like my preference, but I really like how they are right now. Then I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lid with e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. So for the shadows, I'm gonna be using my Jaclyn Hill palette, which I apologize, it's like super dirty. So I am gonna go ahead and pick up this shade with a fluffy blending brush, and I am going to place this into my crease. And at first, when I was playing around with my makeup yesterday, I was like debating what colors to use for this look. This looks like such an intimidating color, and even in person it's a little dramatic as well, but I realized if I just blend it all out really well, it's actually a really gorgeous color, and it's not that intimidating and not that scary. You guys know I usually go for like oranges and more like basically just orange shades. I do tend to go to browns for like my glitter shades, but I just felt like for this like glam holiday Christmas look, this would be really pretty. So I'm gonna take this tiny little precision brush and go in with this shade right here. We're gonna place this on our outer crease. Actually, I want to intensify this a little more. As you guys can see, it's really pretty, but I'm gonna go ahead and foil my shadow today. I always talk about how MAC Fix Plus, you can use it to foil. So what I like to do personally is spray my brush, pick up a little bit of the product, tap off any excess, and then spray it a little more, and then place it right on to my eye. I don't know if, yeah, the camera can totally pick that up. As you guys can see, it just kind of intensifies it more, and obviously makes it more foiled looking than very shimmery, but I wanted it more pigmented. So yeah, now the light is totally picking up on it. I think the tape is kind of helping show how intense it is. Now moving on to liner, I'm going to be using my Benefit Roller Liner. I keep wanting to say Roller Lash mascara, and I've never even used that. So I'm just going to do a winged liner. Okay, so I went ahead and I cleaned up the wings, and as you guys can see, I'm trying to get the lighting to focus a little better, but you can see it's like really red, and it's like a metallic vibe now that I foiled the shadow, and it's blended so clean. I'm so happy that I've gotten better at blending my shadows. I think I'm gonna go for these lashes because they're just like crazy and glam. Okay, you guys, so these are really crazy. I actually kind of like them, but they're very intense. But this is ultra glam. Can I not talk today? Okay, so for primer, I'm going to use my MAC Fix Plus. So I went ahead and I damped my beauty blender. So I'm gonna go in with my YSL foundation. I should also tell you guys, I'm in the shade B60 Amber. I realized I never tell people that. So I just took 2 pumps, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put this on. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use my Too Faced powder. Now for highlight, I'm gonna go in with King Tut from Jeffree Star. I love this shade because it really matches my skin tone, and I'm gonna use the Morphe M601 brush. I think this shade is just, oh my gosh, it's literally so gorgeous. Then I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my nose. So I go a straight line down my nose and then make kind of like an exclamation point, and make sure that you kind of blend down the bridge of your nose like that. Oh my gosh, I love the little dot. If you ever feel like you have too much, you can always go ahead and take your beauty blender and kind of just go over that highlight a little. Sometimes I feel like that just happens happens to me. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in with the same shade we used in our outer crease, and I'm gonna pick that up on the same brush that we used in our outer crease and do my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna go ahead and blend my real lashes with the fake ones and then apply it on the lower lash line. Okay, and the final step is obviously lips. So I'm gonna go in with this Lime Crime liquid lip in the shade Red Velvet and apply that on my lips. And then for a final step, I'm just gonna spray. So this is the completed look. I really love the highlight, the lashes, the shadow turned out so gorgeous, and this lip is actually really comfortable for a liquid lip. I will say it is kind of more comfortable than Kylie's, but I have just like her original liquid lip. I don't have like a velvet kind. I feel like this feels like a velvet, but it might just be a different formula. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this fun Christmas holiday glam look, and comment down below what other looks you guys would like me to do, and I will totally do them for you guys. And yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Bye!